Hello everyone, this is the LeetCode problem. Find 3 consecutive integers that sum to a given number. Given an integer num, return 3 consecutive integers as a sorted array that sum to num. If num cannot be expressed as the sum of 3 consecutive integers, return an empty array. Suppose the solution exists and the middle number is a. Then the first number is a minus 1. The last one is a plus 1. Now add them together. We get 3 times a. This means the given integer has to be the multiple of 3. Let's take a look at some examples. Given number 33. 33 is divisible by 3. The middle number is 33 divided by 3. Then the first number is middle minus 1. The last number is middle plus 1. Result is 10, 11, and 12. Given number 4. 4 is not divisible by 3. Return an empty array. Here is the code. First, check if is the given number divisible by 3. If not, return an empty array. Else, calculate the middle number first. Then the first number is middle minus 1. The last number is middle plus 1. Thanks for watching.